Buongiorno to all of you, ciao a tutti, benvenuti a Venezia, benvenuti al Carnevale di Venezia. Welcome to the channel I Love You Venice, and today we're going to have another live actually that is gonna be extremely exciting. In a couple of minutes let's have a look how the situation will be, but compared to last Saturday it's 2 times or 3 times busier. Ciao Renato, ciao Senotus Blue, ciao a tutti. And so finger crossed for the live today. I do apologize already if the signal it might be a little bit funny here and there, that we might have different kinds of problems, because you will see that it's a bit busy actually, and it's gonna be really interesting how to move around and to sneak around all the masks. But let me turn the camera actually, that the view of Venice is way much better than my face. Ciao Adriano, benvenuti a tutti, benvenuti in the channel I Love You Venice. My name is Igor and we are ready to go live. Andiamo. Hold on. Here we go. So we are definitely in the shady area, but slowly I would like to show you already the big carpet of heads that is right in front of us. This is pretty much the situation that we're having right now. Ciao Nina. So in a second I will show you exactly how the entire atmosphere will be. So ready to join me, because today the entire area is really fabulous. So we got a lot of interesting masks as usual actually, that we're starting to have vampires, we're starting to have classical masks of the Venetian life of the 16 and 1700. Oh, look at here. Sorry, here and there it might be a little bit funny, but the costumes and the fabrics, they're going to be absolutely spectacular, as you can see. And so here we go, let me find a good spot. You need to be a little bit patient today, because having the entire city so crazy busy, we definitely need a lot of patience actually. Ciao Jem, look, we got even Arlequin that is just behind us. There we go. And right now, slowly, let's try to chase all the masks here and there. Oh, let me go around. As I told you, it might be a little bit funny and complicated actually to chase everybody in today, but we try to do definitely our best, slowly. So let me zoom back, so in this way we got a better perspective of the entire situation. And so think about that today we got basically a good 80% of the rooms that they are busy, that they are occupied in town. We're going to go down to Monday and Tuesday, that is gonna be the last day the last day of Carnival. Actually we're going to get less and less people, but I believe that it's going to be extremely crazy busy in the next few days. And so let's say today, tomorrow is going to be really interesting, because normally the Italians, they got holidays, and spending a day in the Venetian Carnival is definitely a classic. Oh, here we go, look how pretty the view that we're having right here with the two dominoes. And so think about that they were able to wear such a mask, and the distortion of the voice was quite interesting. And underneath the beak actually they would have been able to bring the knife and fork and spoon, and they were definitely able to eat. I guess people there are not really used to being busy. Manga, that's the thing. And so let me try to lift the camera up, but that's pretty much how the situation is. I believe that everybody is not used to see so many people, so many crowds around actually, and you can clearly see that is a kind of busy. And so here we go. We're slowly starting to sneak around and to see definitely the entire atmosphere. Miles Nipper just became a member. Here we go. Ciao, Miles. Welcome to our club. Welcome to our family, actually. And thank you for joining. Here we go. That we're slowly starting to see some steampunk masks that, especially in the last few years, they are becoming quite popular. Ciao, ciao, Miles. Welcome, welcome. Thank you for joining us in our walk today. And let's slowly. I watched other live stream from last week. I was looking for you in the crowds, did not find you. Let's have a look. Let's try to see if we can get some more masks around this area. A lot of people actually. Oh, here we go. Just spot some nice masks over there. Oh, hold on. Sorry if I'm going fast sometimes, but at least we can chase everything. Here we go. This is pretty much the main stage that the masks, they are able to do the catwalks. I stand out in your Harry Potter glasses. See, that's what is gonna happen tomorrow with the family. I will be pretty much a Harry Potter, I believe. But here we go. And so this year actually everybody is able to come all the way up to the stage. Per favore verifica il microfono che gratta da qualche parte. Sì, aspetta. Allora, sistemato. Marco, fammi sapere se gratta ancora. Aspetta che lo risistemo. Here we go. This year actually you're able to get right in this platform and you're going to get a 360 degrees view actually, and they are normally put you online into the official website of the Carnevale, of the Venetian Carnival. So let's have a look. Slowly, slowly we sneak around. As I told you today, we definitely need a little bit of because we got a lot of people, and so we will be able to sneak around slowly. Here we go. We got some more masks over there that they look like gangsters. We got even a bunch of dogs that they came, more than a bunch. Look, they're all in a carnival party, even the dogs. That it seems that they're having quite a fun. They're waiting for the special treats, I believe, at this point. Give me a treat, give me a treat, give me a treat. See, let's say that we got some costumes that they were here last week actually. Some are totally new. People that they are right here sitting down this area, that they are quite nice and interesting. Let's say I saw quite a lot of interesting masks this morning and they were quite nice. And let's say still having quite a lot of French, Germans, and these are the main nationalities that we are having at the moment around the city. I heard some Spanish. Oh, here we go. We got even Marco Polo that is standing right over there, waiting for us. That this man, he was wandering around last Saturday, actually. Hold on. Here we go. That we got Marco Polo that is just welcoming us. That is having a family reunion with Harlequin. I cani mascherati, hai visto? Ecco qua, Marco Polo e Arlecchino. Let's continue our walk. Sorry if I'm turning. Here we go. Slowly. Let me see that I get all the comments. See, Nina, I was here last year. You're right, actually. But this year we're having more Harlequins. They are definitely all coming back. It's interesting. So the old style masks, they're all coming back. Here we go. That we got quite a pretty view. Slowly, I just turn around. Grazie. Here we go. So we got a great overview of all this They are so nice with us that they are. Here we go. Let's try to get a little bit closer. That at least we got a full view. That, as you can see, is spectacular. So we got a pretty enjoyable atmosphere at this real moment. Oh! Here we go. Ecco qua. Hold on, that we get. Oh, we got the Piero that they just started to stand up. Good to see the square being so busy. Let's say the last time that it was this busy, it was quite a long ago, actually, probably the 2019. We were having this kind of atmosphere, actually, and so we're back to those years, because 2020 we didn't have it, 2021 we didn't have it, and you can clearly see that the situation is definitely kind of busy at the moment. Oh, here we go. We got some lovely ladies with incredible costumes. Again, we got D'Artagnan or the Musketeer that is around this area too. Yeah, those are a bit new actually. There's one with leaves that is really interesting. Right now, slowly we're going to get even those. It's just a matter of patience today. We definitely need a lot of patience. Here we go. It's definitely really sunny. It's a bit windy, but the weather is just fantastic. Actually, look how nice one is. So hold on, let me get a great spot that look. It's like a tree and is really spectacular. Beautiful colors actually. Let me show you the entire mask, that's so you can enjoy it. And let me zoom back, that's so you can get the full idea. Again, I do apologize if the signal sometimes is dancing a little bit. I love the autumn tree too, actually, Cenotes Blue. I really like it. A lot of work has gone into that cyan, and so let's say that all these people that the majority normally they are French and Germans, actually they do an incredible artwork, and they normally need something like 1 year to do the entire thing actually. And so what they do is really, really incredible actually. Look at these two. These two actually they're really nice. I saw them earlier actually. As you can see, they are really amazing. Look at the artworks and that they had to do with all the little pearls attached actually. So it's really unreal. Oh, let's have a look. Sorry, let me zoom it back. So here we go. That we are. Oh, some red feathers right here. Oh, the reflections are incredible, especially with the sun. Actually, right now is even more interesting. I try to go around. Just give me a second. As I told you, we need a little bit of patience today. I try to do my best to sneak around, but having gimbal telephone is always interesting. And so. Let's have a look if we can break the number last week. At the moment we are 349 into YouTube. Let's see if we're going to hit more than 1200 actually. No idea, we check it out actually. Finger crossed, and we see while that the rest of the world is waking up if they're going to join us in our live show today. And so here we go, slowly we sneak around. But you can clearly see that it's a kind of busy today, and so we're pretty much back to the. Oh, we got a lovely dog that is fed up of walking. He had enough, and here we go. Seeing very few COVID masks. So we are not. We don't have to wear masks when we are outside actually. So the entire rules they changed completely for the past week actually. and so the entire idea is CC and so Miles Nipper, everything changed completely, and so we must wear the masks only when we are inside of when we are inside actually of the shops or of the restaurants or anything similar. When we are outside, actually, we don't have to wear anything. So that's how everything, the situation is. So everything is evolving week after week, day after day, but of course it's taking a while. Seems that we're getting a good way. Look at this lovely angel that is standing right in front of us, and the costume is right amazing. Miles, or any of you actually, any kind of questions that you got, just ask. Igor, controlla il microfono, mi sembra di sentire più basso di prima. Give me a second, let me check it out. I got full volume. Let me move the microphone a second. Here we go. Refix it. Yeah, with all the crowds and the funny move that I got is always complicated. Here we go. Yeah, I just fixed the microphone that it went out of the case. Now it should be better. Here we go. Let me try if we can see the face. We saw only the back part. Give me a second. I need to do a big turn. Oh, slowly, slowly. Here we go. Here we go. I don't know if you want, probably. Yeah, this one is spectacular, as you can see. Right in front. Perfect. That's so we can see all the feathers. And this one is another masterpiece of art, actually. I don't know, it's really difficult to pick the best costume today, actually. So it's really amazing. 425. So more and more. Let's have a look at the next couple, how it will be. So here we go. Oh, here we go. Let me zoom back. Thank you. Here we go. Let me see. Let's try to fix everything up. They are posing for us, which is great. Here we go. That we got a great overview. Oh, look at these ladies with this beautiful white dress. They are one better than the other, actually. As I told you, it's really difficult to pick up the best one. They are all unbelievably beautiful, actually. So the jobs that all these people they are normally doing during winter time, going into second-hand shops and artworks and picking up the best pieces, is always really difficult, actually. A bit intimidating. Better than my face, actually. That I intimidate more with my face without mask. Oh, let's have a look at that. We got the guy with the beautiful feather masks that we saw it last week. See, we had the dog suits probably last week, and we got more actually around. Let me see how close I can go with the zoom. Oh, here we go. Yeah, the reflections are really amazing now that the sun is illuminating everything. So the feathers, they are really wow. What do you think, folks? It's quite amazing, isn't it? So the atmosphere compared to last Saturday is slightly different. We got a little bit of... It's super sparkly. It's super sparkly and shining, actually. Yeah. Yeah, look how sparkling that now that it just turned around. Let me try to move around slowly. Give me a second that I back, that's so it is where you don't get drunk. Let me try not to run and kill people. That is the other mission impossible. And oh, here we go. That in the meanwhile, we got some more lovely masks that are all united right here actually. Let me see if I can go around that so you can get a full idea. Hold on. Sorry. Here we go. Yeah, the makeup is quite unreal. See, man, and then I will be shutted on the spot. Actually, I will be executed probably. Already my face is not helping much. If I'm going to scream and shout, that is going to be the end. Yeah, the details are really amazing. You can see that it's really unbelievable. Here we go, that we got the other folks that they are waiting for her. They are right there. Here we go, 442. See, Marco Polo is right over there on the back. He's part of the furniture at this point, Marco Polo. We forgot him 700 years ago, sitting there, he's still waiting to bring the silk into Venice. Oh, let's have a look under those arches. Actually, that the atmosphere looks pretty nice and beautiful. Oh, look, I got the stroller with a little dog inside. That is right there, having a little rest. Here we go. Oh, they just stop everything. Let me zoom. You can get a little idea. Marco Polo è molto preoccupato, sì. Nina, non gli è arrivata la seta dalla Cina, il delivery è in ritardo. Marco Polo looked a little bit worried. Probably the Amazon delivery didn't got him in time with the silk, and that's why that is so worried about. He's still waiting. Hold on, let me zoom it back. And let's have a look. Oh, here we go. The situation, actually, every corner it's a postcard. Every corner it's a picture. And we got, again, incredible masks, lovely meetings here and there with his, look, AliExpress, probably, yes. Yeah, you're right, actually, that even AliExpress, it might have been delayed. The blue ones, they were superb, Cenotus blue, I definitely agree with you, actually, and especially those ones with the feather. There we go. Let's get a full idea or a full view, as you can tell. They are sensational, actually. I mean, today they are one better than the others, and as I told you, it's really difficult to pick up one. Even the beard of the man with the cylinder actually is is perfect. Everything is so perfect and beautiful. Look at this young man right there. Oh, this is nice uniform, nice mustache, wonderful. Give me a sec. That we slowly go around. As I told you, we need a little bit of patience today to sneak around, to walk around. Oh, here we go. How lovely. Painted mustache. Maybe. Even mine, they are painted in white. Getting older, and here we go down. Here we go, so we can get full view. Let me jump into the next one. Hold on. Second. Slowly, slowly. So we can get right here. Hold on. Look at this lovely couple. I'm just old, you're right, man. I'm just getting old. I keep forgetting things actually. The excuse is that I'm really good in two things, memory and I forgot. Rather than say that I'm getting old. But these details, they are really amazing actually. Allora, aspetta, hold on a second. Let's sneak around. And even these two, actually, they are pretty amazing. Oh, here we go. They are a little group. Look at the details actually, starting from the shoes, belt, mantle, everything. They are all getting so well together and they are so nice. Here we go. 506. Slowly we're with the number. Oh, look at there. Wait a second. Sorry if I'm speeding up, but I tried not to miss these 3 white masks. Look how beautiful this one that they are arriving right now. Wow. Those are cute. Let me move on the side. Here we go. They are having a little bit of carnival party with the little prince right there. Look how cute he is. Hold on. No, I definitely agree. Being on the phone actually, or seeing so many phones, it's spoiling the atmosphere if you want to here and there. Un piccolo re, sì, un piccolo re, sì. He's having a lot of fun, it seems. Let's see. Let's continue slowly and let's try to see what is waiting for us. And so it's really one after the other. Ciao David, ciao London, welcome on board, welcome in Venice. Ciao. They are all so great. Here we go, a little zoom, at least we can see the entire thing. Let's jump into the other. Yeah, as you can see, everything is going to be pretty busy and you jump literally from one mask to the next one actually. Oh, here we go. That time, oh, we are pretty lucky. That's so. Hola, Angel. Here we go. That we got definitely the full view of the entire party. And look. Let's see if I can zoom a little bit to get all the details. Yeah, you can tell that it's a little bit windy by the feathers that are flying here and there. Let's go this way. Opa! One more couple waiting for us. Now in a second we're going to go right. Let's say that the majority, they're all fantastic actually, and the quality is just unreal, and he's fabulous. So basically we're going to reach the best of Carnival between now, tomorrow, Sunday, Monday, and then actually Tuesday is going to be pretty much the end. Oh, look at this white. Ciao Thomas, benvenuto, welcome. Look, those are cute. Those are amazing costumes. Let me a bit. Here we go. That's so you can get the full idea. Fat Tuesday, with Fat Tuesday, actually this is going to be pretty much the end. And let's have a look how crazy busy the entire situation is going to be on Fat Tuesday. But already now the situation is extremely interesting. I can already tell you. Yesterday night, actually, the biggest parties actually they were going on in Murano. Oh, here we go. That we got some Casanovas around, and so they were going on into Murano. And everybody, I mean, the majority of the people that they normally attend the carnival, they all went. They attend the carnival as masks. They all went down to Murano for the big party. Tonight we're going to have the Ballo del Doge, that is the most exclusive ball, the most exclusive party that we're getting into Venice itself. Oh, here we go. Sorry if I'm going to go too fast. Sorry for the signal sometimes, but you can see that is a kind of busy. Try to do my best. Awesome, as you can see. Let me zoom it back so you can get the full view. Here we go. Wow, this is pretty spectacular actually, and the details, they are unbelievable. We just wait a second and then we should be able to see the entire mess from top to toe. Let's see. Or at least I show you from here. Even this one actually, I believe that he had. Ciao Lisa, welcome to the club. Welcome to the people that are totally in love with Venice. Is it the one in Palazzo Pisani Moretta? Sì, Gem, that's definitely right. And so Antonia Sauter is the one that is the lady actually that side of the Palace Pisani Moretta actually. You this incredible party that it looked like the Cirque du Soleil. And so you got jugglers, you got trapecists that are going to do different kind of shows inside of the palace, and that is sensational actually. And tonight actually is going to be the night, and I believe that it's going to be really amazing. So everybody, literally everybody is really looking forward to see tonight actually for the Pisani Moretta. Only few will be able to go in. I guess you were not invited to your No, manga, no. I'm not even allowed to open the door actually to get any closer. Sorry to disappoint you. But that would have been great actually, even to stand in a gondola to see who would have been invited. And here we go, look. We're around 571, which is a pretty good number. But let's see if we are going to get 1,200 or 1,300 like last Saturday actually. Yeah, the background, as you can clearly see, is just unreal actually. Having the basilica behind us is really spectacular. Let me see.
Like a roll cage?
Oh, here we go. Some more masks. We got even the dinosaurs. Those are pretty cute. Here we go. I'm really guessing if they need to go to the toilets, how they're gonna handle that. And this is gonna be pretty interesting. Here we go. We are pretty much down to Jurassic Park. Let's have a look. Let's try to jump into the next one. No, let's say that the atmosphere is really spectacular, and once that you are right here in the middle, is really, oh, look at this. Let's try to sneak around. Yeah, these two, they are fabulous. Wow. Nice sparkling masks. Nina, don't start. Leave Berlusconi alone, that this morning was having a really romantic breakfast with the new wife, fiancé, and everybody was saying that it's still fashionable actually. Let's see. Yeah, those are super cute. 616. Yeah, the details starting from the socks going through the embroideries. They are look at the little lady, at the little girl. She's she's so in love. Look, I got the mask. I got the mask. Yeah, we got the little kids that they are endly having fun again, and they are enjoying themselves, which is great, and that's why that we got Carnival actually. At least the little one, they can have fun. Oh, here we go, another lovely sparkling mask. Let me zoom a little bit. I do apologize again if sometimes the signal is a bit funny, but you can clearly see. This is pretty spectacular actually. Started already 40 minutes ago, and we're literally jumping from one spot to the other. It's literally never ending. Look at these two gentlemen that are arriving. Look, nice costumes, nice mustache, everything so perfect. Yeah, the research and the study that they got behind these masks is really incredible. Look at these feathers. Woo, look at here. Nice hat. I don't know how easy you have. Oh, look at this couple. We got a kind of devil mask standing there. Here we go. They are quite good. Oh. Here we go. Let's have a look at the next family. Yeah, those costumes are unreal. Look at here. Anthony, niente maschera COVID, and so it's already a couple of weeks actually that we can, if we want, we don't have to wear masks for COVID when we are outside. So we must wear masks when we are inside of restaurants, bars, shops, but outside at this real moment they just changed the law, and so we can definitely be without masks. Thank you, Adriano, for supporting our channel, and thank you to all of you for watching and supporting our channel. It's definitely thanks to you that every week we can show you the beauties of the city of Venice. Ooh, windy. We got all the confettis that are flying everywhere. Let me see. That here we go. We got a couple here that they are pretty good. And these folks, they are great. I saw them dancing a while ago actually, and the costumes that they look like Cinderella or anything similar. They are just beautiful. Oh, look. Let me see. Whoop, sneaking around. Look how cool they are. Yeah, these costumes, they are just fabulous, as you can see. Now it's going to be a kind of difficult to hold the head with this strong wind. Oh. It's definitely extremely bad in the wind, and they got a pretty massive costume actually, and handling everything up is not that easy. Look at this one, even with this one with all these wings that is in front of us with the wind, is not really easy to be handled. Here we go. Yeah, there are actually two costumes that they are sensational, as you can tell. They are free at the moment. Yeah, I was just mentioning thank you to all of you for joining our I Love You Venice channel. Thank you for supporting the channel with your donations. It's really much appreciated. It's definitely thanks to you that we can always show you these beautiful events that they are taking place in this crazy city. Oh, look at the, I don't know if you can see, but we got confettis literally everywhere. We got a confetti storm at the moment. Here we go, look. Is that a mark she's having on her back? Marquis, which one, Nina? I got it. It can be. Yeah, you must be away actually. Especially with these big feathers, or actually big feathers and big wings. You got a big social distance actually. Oh, let me see. See, I thought so. Here we go. It might be the idea. Give me a second, let me try to go around. In the meanwhile, we are 662. Yeah, the background, as you can see, is always extremely spectacular actually. Having the Procutaria, having St. Mark Square, having the St. Mark Basilica. No, and they are not easy in the high wind, I definitely agree. They are taking on, then they're gonna fly really soon. Oh, here we go, look. Sorry, I got the confettis in my mouth. Oh, look at this one. I saw it before. It's so sparkling and beautiful actually. And this worth a second. I really enjoy it, this one. Look. This one is really nice. Oh, here we go. Wait a second. She's right there with the moon in the. Here we go. Ah, look how pretty. Let me see that everybody is slowly moving that way. Oh, he's arriving right now. Ecco a Vania. Peekaboo! Look at here. Peekaboo! Here we go, we got Vania. And so she was definitely trying to chase me watching YouTube. She made it.
My challenge for today.
Yeah.
Find Igor in San Marcos Square.
But I'm pretty big, and so she can spot me literally everywhere. I'm pretty much a blue dot, as you can see. But the atmosphere, as I told you, is quite unreal. Ciao Vanietta. Ciao. Ciao dopo. Let's see who we are going to bother now. Hold on. But I saw a bunch of masks over there. Sorry. I'm trying to sneak around the. Hold on, wait a second. Sorry that I'm not watching the screen, otherwise I kill somebody. I don't want to have that. Here we go. Let me try to go around. That's where we're going to get the best perspective, and we're going to read off of all the lights. Ciao Awi, buongiorno, welcome. Yeah, look. Yeah, the lights, they are sensational today, so we're extremely lucky, as you can tell. Look, the folks that they were dancing before, they just move into the area that we got less wind. Let's try to chase them. So, oh, here we go. We got some more lovely ladies around with these lovely costumes. Plus, we might have some birds actually. Here we go. That's the bird that I'm talking about, that one. It's a group of 4 or 5, and they are. Here we go. Look. This is the group that we saw it a while ago actually, and the costumes, they are really sensational. Give me a second. Oh, hold on. Let me see if I can get around. Yeah, it's gonna be interesting to clean up all the confettis at the end of the day, but that one is the minor problem actually. Let me see if I can get around this way. Hold on, wait a second. Wait a second. No, it's difficult to get them from this point. Plus we got all the planks. Let's see. No, they are magnificent actually. Really beautiful. Here we go. That they are slowly clearing up. They're all men's. Here we go. Fantastic. Nice. And so let's see where the next masks are. I just saw a blue one. Let's have a look. And then slowly we try to go right to the waterfront. Hold on. We go with the flow and the floods as usual. And so give me a second that we slowly sneak around. I see some flowers this time on the distance. Let's have a look how pretty these masks are. Oh, those are cute. Nice. Let me zoom a bit. Here we go. So we can get the full idea. Yeah, think about it, that Carnival started approximately 3 weeks ago. Actually, it's going to end up on Fat Tuesday, and the atmosphere is still pretty incredible. And so think about it, that starting from 3 weeks ago, many people that they are wandering around the entire square every day. Actually, yesterday night that we were having all the big parties, we would have had people around until 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning. Unfortunately, it was storming, and so it spoiled the atmosphere of the square, but the majority of the people actually, they were having parties inside of the different venues. Give me a second, let me try to go this way, otherwise here we cannot go through. I try to go to the waterfront slowly. Give me a second. There we go. Yeah, as you can see, if you was with us last Saturday, actually the situation is slightly different. So we're definitely having more people. If you remember, yeah, don't forget that this one is. Oh, here we go. Those are cute. And that this is gonna be pretty much the last chance to enjoy the carnival masks into Venice itself, actually, because after that, in is going to be finished. no, definitely, as you can see, he's not foggy as last week, but this morning I had my car that it was totally frosted. Last night, the night around 30ish, and the entire let me move a bit. Oh, here we go. I should be back slowly, but we are definitely having more people. Sorry. Immagino che ci siano problemi di connessione. Sono dietro al palazzo. Dovremmo essere... Yeah, I should be back. Sorry, but I told you that today is a bit of problems here and there. Oh, great. Yeah, the situation with all these people, everybody's connected in the media, social medias, and Facebook, Instagram, and all these things, of course, is getting slightly complicated. Here we go. We're back right now. Look at the costumes again and the details. Let's see. Yeah, you can see that it's really windy at this point. Let me go this way. Yeah, just a few today, manga. Not many. No, but it's exactly how it would have been before, actually, in the past. This exact. And here, actually, they were complaining, all the people, they run into you and they don't look. Yeah, that's exactly what I had until now. I'm holding a gimbal, a phone, and the rest no, but it's okay. Here we go. Look. Let me see if I can zoom a bit. Here we go. We can get a grazie mille. Yeah, as you can see, the view is quite amazing. I mean, this color red is really nice. Here we go. We don't have anybody at the moment. Hold on. No, we're next. Get right into the waterfront, and over there we got sembra un angolo. That's exactly what I need, an antenna. Here we go, that I'm back. And so last week we didn't have any kind of problem here. Today, actually, let me move. Here we go. I should be back online. Sorry, I do apologize, but I told you from the beginning that today is getting a kind of a problematic day. Having so many people that are eating all the signal is it's complicated. Anyway, the campanile is breaking probably, but last week it wasn't breaking. I believe that it's just a matter of just too many compared to last week, actually. Your Fabio. Here we go. That we got friends that are meeting up.
Hi, Igor.
No, I need to move again. No, here we go. It's back. And so the entire. Can you see me? If we get. Here we go. We should be back again. But let's get right here. The signal is funny. Let me try to move further, but the signal. Ho visto, Marco, che è instabile oggi. Sto tentando di andare un po' più avanti finché non si stabilizza. Allora, fammi vedere. We're back to stable new antenna that I need to stick it in my head, and let's see if everybody will be able to see. Let me try to get out of the Doge's Palace. That it seems that is not a great spot for the signal. Here we go. It's better now. Oh. Sì, dove sei? Oh. Oh, here we go. That way. Look how pretty she is. Oh, look at here. That is pretty incredible. Here we go. That we got definitely the full view. We got definitely even Willy Wonka. But we got a pretty enjoyable atmosphere, as you can tell, and so the entire situation is really nice. Look how nice. And so let me try to go around and let's have a look. The signal is getting slightly better this side. Sorry about this, but I told you that it might have been a challenge today. See how we were as you can tell. For the COVID we would have had a Steampunk Parade, and that was really normal. Now actually move again. Let me see if the signal is going to go back to work. Here we go. Let's have a look. It's interesting because last week everything was working extremely properly, and it's just coming and going today. Oh, look at here. Look how pretty. Yeah, this is the city that we saw it. Look at this. Yeah, at this point actually we got literally everybody that is standing here to do the photo shoot, especially because the reflections, they are just perfect. And right now we slowly try to get by the waterfront. Let me see. Yeah, with the wind it's rather complicated at the moment. Only on the wind, see. So let's see. And so let's start with these that they look pretty quiet and there are not many people. Let me see. Let's slowly go this side. I can see some peacock's feather. As I told you, we need a little bit of patience today. That is always complicated, especially with all the wind and all the crowds. Slowly. Here we go. Let's see if I can sneak around this way. Yeah, the background with the Church of St. George is always unreal and amazing. Now the lights, they are extremely beautiful. Look at these peacocks. Hold on. And those two actually, they are sensational. See, compared to Christmas time, actually the entire situation is completely different. During Christmas time it was totally empty. Sì, Palladio era sicuramente un genio. Yeah, compared to a year ago, compared to a while ago that we were totally quiet, the situation is completely different actually. Let's see, yeah, let's say it will be totally impossible to cross the bridge of sides. It's just full of people. Let's see if we got any other mask around this area. I saw in a small versions of Carnival at Annecy, France, but nothing can be compared to the real one. But let's say the southern part of France, they are normally having quite a lot of different kind of carnivals, as even in Köln, Cologne, and so in Germany actually. The Carnival of Lucerne, Switzerland, is pretty incredible because they got different kind of bands that they play instruments and they are unreal actually. Here we go. Let me see if I can get this one. Here we go. But even the Carnival Parade in Berlin is quite amazing. The one that I enjoy most out of Italy actually is definitely Lucerne. Lucerne actually, the bands that they play there, they are really sensational. But of course, if you are into Italy, the other two most incredible, yeah, Star Wars is back. If you are down to the area of Cento, Cento, which is not far from Bologna, that carnival is really amazing. Or otherwise, actually, if you're going to go into Viareggio, which is literally next door to, let's say, Pisa, that is gonna be another incredible spot. Thank you, Christian. Thank you for supporting us. Let's try to sneak. It's getting funny again. Hold on. Let's try to move right in the middle of the square. That it seems that it was a bit slightly better over there. I believe that today in the square we got anything between 70, 80, 100,000 people actually, and so we are back to the old times. Thank you again for supporting. Carnevale oggi scherzo vale. Sì, hai ragione. So you have to know that definitely we started to develop Carnival almost 1,000 years ago actually here in Venice, and the entire idea is that Venice won a war against another town and were making jokes against the other one, say we won, you lose actually. And think about that until Napoleon time, Carnival was lasting approximately 6 months actually, and so they were having 6 months of really wild parties. Ciao Marek, yeah, I definitely agree with you, especially we don't even start with that is crazy. And the entire idea is definitely until Napoleon time actually we were having 6 months of crazy parties. And you have to know that the Doge decided to keep everybody quiet and everybody happy. 6 months everybody was wearing masks, and they were all 6 months absolutely manga. And in those 6 months, everybody was the same, because under a mask, you don't have poor, you don't have rich, everybody is the same. And the dodge to keep everybody happy and quiet in those, especially the 3 main weeks of Carnival, everybody was definitely allowed to do whatever they wanted, actually. And in those days, everybody got totally crazy and they were having absolutely a blast. Think about Mr. Casanova, just to mention one for all, actually. I believe that in those days he would have had a real magic time, actually. Oh, now it seems that the line, the signal, is way much better, and let's try to have a look if we can enjoy some of the masks that they are right by the Doge's Palace. Yeah, now the signal is way much better compared to before. Here we go, that we can get a closer look to Willy Wonka. That before we missed it. Sì, Anthony, sicuramente la fantasia è regina. C'è tua sorella dietro di me. Interessante. Se si palesa poi ti faccio anche sapere, te la saluto anche, ben volentieri. Aspettate, give me a second, let me try to sneak around. Grazie Fabio. Ecco qua. Ciao. Here we go. Caramba, che sorpresa!
Ti seguiva. Tutto bene?
Sì, tutto a posto.
Ciao.
Aspetta. Here we go, that we got Fabio's sisters. That is like caramba che sorpresa. we just missing Raffaella Carrabba. Here we go. That's the entire atmosphere here. That everybody's running into each other. Eccola.
Fede, vai salutando zio.
No, niente zio, via zio. No, she doesn't want to say hi to the uncle. It's okay. Ciao, Bodhi. Grazie, ciao. Let's try to sneak around. Yeah, signal is back to normality, it seems. Let's have a look. Well, you can find somebody in the crowd. Manga, the situation can be pretty easy because that's what Vania was doing, actually. And so Vania, she was watching the live via YouTube, actually. She was trying to see where I was, and she was running after me, actually, and that's exactly how everything was working. But it's definitely a pretty mission impossible, actually, to get somebody with this crowd. I definitely agree with you. It's definitely a fun time because everybody's taking it extremely easy and everybody's having fun at the end of the day. Let me try to zoom a bit. There we go. And let me try to go into the other couple. Give me a second. There we go. Yeah, you was mentioning before that having everybody on the phone is pretty much killing the atmosphere. Here we go. But this is quite a pic. It's really interesting. I mean, these masks and the details are, wow, sensational. Here we go, a little full view of the entire area. Yeah, signal is way much better, actually, and it's interesting. It's just a matter of what, a couple of minutes, and it's the highest signal ever had at this beautiful. Yes, she's going to swap the floor. Yeah, here we go. You can see the massive amount of the confettis that we got. Oh, let me see. Yeah, I definitely agree. Actually, if everybody would have wear a costume or at least a little mask, actually, that it would have been fun. I'm really happy, Lisa, that you are having fun, and that at least you're getting the idea of how Carnival will look like, and you're getting at least a little glimpse of the Venetian Carnival atmosphere, actually. We need 2 Acqua Alta to clean up everything. The Acqua Alta is the high tide, actually, and but I have to tell you that our guys that they normally clean the streets, they are doing an incredible job, and so literally at the end of the evening they start to swap the floor, and if you remember last week we saw them that they were cleaning everything. Yeah, absolutely, Renato. Don't forget to put a like into our channel. Just follow us. So in this way you're going to stay tuned with what we are transmitting all the time, and we can give you the best view of this incredible city. Every time, actually, we keep you updated. Next time is gonna be what? The Easter eggs. Not Easter eggs as a surprise, but Easter egg because it's gonna be Eastern. Who knows? But definitely thank you of you for supporting our channel and for watching us, and this is actually thanks to you that we can continue to show you the beauties of the city. Look at these 2 photos right there. Yeah, again the details are really amazing. Oh, hold on, focus problem. Now I try to go around. Oh, here we go. I put 3 likes, YouTube is a liar. Give me a second, let me see if we can get a better picture from here. There we go. Keep on paying, Igor. Thank you, Manga. That the electricity bill they're getting higher, the gas bills they're getting higher. We need that. Who they are? I don't know actually. That I believe I cannot hear because it's too noisy, and so I cannot tell you the language. Plus I got the earplugs. Vorrei sapere tutte le storie dei costumi, anch'io. Yeah, that would have been really interesting actually. Thank you, Kathleen, to join us. That it would have been really interesting to know what's behind of the costumes, how they decided, how they built it, and how they got into carnival parties and all these things actually. If I'm going to find a bunch of friends of mine that they do the carnival parades, I might stop them and ask them, and that might be interesting. I got a couple of friends of mine that they are from Modena, and so not far from Bologna, and they are 40, 45 actually, and they are deep into carnival parties actually, and so every year actually they produce 2, 3, 4 costumes, and they are really amazing. It's something that they don't want to miss each year actually. So as long that carnival is coming, they move from their own homes into Venice. They're normally staying here something like 3 weeks. In 3 weeks they're going to go from one party after the other, or they're going to go from one parade to the next one. Here we go. The view is really amazing today. The sun is going down. It's probably still a kind of early. It's 5:15 right now. It's going to go down in around 6:15, and so we're still having. What time is here? Here is 5:15 p.m. afternoon actually. that's about the time that we're having right now. So 5:15 p.m. Here we go. Back on the mobile phone. Would love to wear a mask, but with having to wear glasses, Igor knows the... See, here we go, manga. That's the problem, actually. I just wanted to wear a mask, but non riesco a controllare il fuoco, va direttamente da solo. Non riesco, è una roba che non controllo io. È l'autofocus che se lo fa da solo direttamente. Yeah, definitely having the mask, having the glasses, they are going to get foggy with everything, and that is gonna be... I need a German Shepherd dog after that. Let's try to move back into the square. Sono costumi noleggiati. Anthony, so the question is, are these costumes rented? Are they going to be owned by the one that is wearing everything? There's a little bit of everything, literally, actually. Some they rent, some they make their own costumes, and the entire idea is, let me run out of the bell. But think about that, if you're renting such a big elaborated costume, you might need from a simple one, 300-400 euros, and from that point you go 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000 euros, and you can go extremely high, sky high, I would say. So, oh, look at here with the sun at the view. But even if you're going to attend the carnival parties, actually, carnival parties, they are going to be extremely expensive, actually, especially if they're going to be some of the most exclusive one. There we go. Yeah, the view at this point is gonna be really amazing. Yeah, unfortunately this side. Allora, se ho mai partecipato al carnevale, con quale vestito? And so I done carnivals actually, but my costumes, they were extremely easy and simple. So at the end of the day, actually, I was having clowns. I had actually dog. I had been Piero, something like that. I'd been Zorro. These are the kind of costumes that I was wearing. But Nina, the Jack Russell is too small for me, actually. I need a big dog. I'm gonna bring mine, actually. That is a 25 kilos dog. At least it fit with me. The Jack Russell is too tiny. I need a big one. A Rottweiler or a Corso. That is a kind of Rottweiler, actually. The Minion was fun. Zorro. Zorro was a classic for all the Italian kids through the years. These guys, they are nice. That I saw them. Sì, sono veramente spettacolari, Anthony. Let me see that with the reflections now is a bit complicated. But these two guys, they are really nice, actually. Caitlin, it's difficult to say if it is steampunk or a mix. More minions arriving. Ciao Argentina. So let's have a look. Slowly we jump into the next ones. I try not to be against the sun. But it's gonna be a kind of difficult, actually. Let me try to get into the shade so I can read the screen too. There we go. Here we go. So right now everything should be slightly better. See, welcome to all of you. Welcome to Venice Carnival, and thank you for following us today. That we are definitely live directly from Venice. Here we go, that we can definitely get more details. See, manga, you can even wear gorillas. Actually, whatever you feel, you wear it. But let's say here, actually, nobody's going to complain. Nobody's going to say anything, as long that you are enjoying yourself. That's the most important thing, of course. Let's have a look at the next group. Slowly, slowly. Yeah, we're slowly having a little bit of extra space in the square. Let me turn around. We got two blue costumes that are going to be. Here we go. Here they are. Sorry, they just move and they are in the sun again. Let me try to show you these. Those are really elaborated and amazing. Oh, look at this. Ciao Awi, ciao Cape Town.
Sei vanitoso. Sì, amore.
Sylvia, it's my pleasure as usual. Let me see if I can stick this side. Hold on. See if we can go around this way. It's always our pleasure actually to show you the beauties of Venice. Thank you, thank you, thank you to all of you for following actually. That's so in this way we can be all together enjoying this amazing view of the carnival parties. Oh, let me see. I need to try to go out slowly, slowly. Let me try to get into the shade. That's so we don't have the reflection of the sun. I don't know what we are finding out. Let's see. Oh, some red feathers again. Oh, we got a zebra here. The zebra is cool. Look at him. It's fabulous. What a costume. Look at here. Let me see. Let's have a look at this lovely lady dressed up in black. Perfect zebra, see, you're right. That's what I thought too. Over there, hold on. Let's see. That Henry VIII will look really interesting. The perfect face. It's great. It's phenomenal, look. But look, let's start from here. That is posing. Yeah, these costumes are magical. They are really nice, actually. Yeah, let's say that when Carnival is arriving, the French are the first one that are arriving together with the Germans, actually. Let me see. Oh my God. Look at this. Oh God, give me a second. Let me try to sneak around. Let me see. Let's try to get here and here. Let me go around the corner. Oh, let's have a look at these ladies. Nina Pavarotti, I just saw him actually. He was standing right in front of the Café Florian. And it's a guy that is always dressed up like Pavarotti, and that one is pretty a classical thing. Look at the details. In a second. Here we go. I got the full details. Oh, look. Also, we got a kind of Egyptian mask and probably the Austrians are back in Venice. So Franz Josef is in Venice again. If you remember the movie with Romy Schneider, actually, she was crossing the St. Mark's Square actually at the end of the second part of the movie. Roy, is the last day of the carnival. Is gonna be Fat Tuesday, and so next Tuesday literally actually. So today is Saturday, and so we're still having Sunday, Monday and Tuesday. 3 days with today 4. Yeah, this costume is pretty fabulous actually. Look at that, it's spreading the wing. Wow. Yeah, this is quite a costume actually. Eh sì, questo è proprio bello, sono d'accordo con voi. I don't know if it is the best one, but it's definitely top 5 or top 10 actually. Let's have a look at that. We got more feathers over there. So. Let's see. Here we go. Some more classical masks. Yeah, we're slowly having less people around actually. Now it seems that we can move slightly better. Let me slowly move this way. Oh, look at this one. This one is massive. If you can have a minion, you can have every. We switch masks. We switch characters. Oh, look at this. Wow. Let me see. We try. Oh, this lovely party. Yeah, the details of the skirt is unreal. I don't know how clear that you see the colors actually, but this all in gold literally actually, and they are amazing embroideries. Even the shoes. Look at the details of the shoes. Either the fur or the embroideries of the shoes are unbelievable. Let's have a look. Good. Here we go, that we got the feathers again, that now with less wind is for sure slightly better. Sì, le scarpe sono incredibili, la signora aveva delle scarpe eccezionali, le comprerei io, figuriamoci. Yeah, the details of the shoes were amazing. I would have bought those actually. Quite happy to have those, amazing. The shoes matching were unreal. I definitely agree with you. Yeah, let me show you the birds here. That they are fun. That I saw them these early hours, actually, this early afternoon, and they done, and from my point of view, a really fun and nice costume. Actually, really colorful. Oh, here we go. Look at them. Hold on. They are amazing. Yeah, it's a shame actually that unfortunately we lost 2020 and 2021. Let me see, let me sneak around a little bit. Let me try to show you the birds. I'm stalking the birds right now. It's like hungry birds. Look at them. Let me see, let me see. Yeah, with the wind, they're funny. Oops. Let's have a look. Yeah, compare. Cristian, non lo so se ci sarò anche martedì. Io ho paura che martedì ci siano grandissimi problemi con la linea. E secondo me sarà veramente difficile. Uno a muoversi, due con la linea, che secondo me salterà ogni 2 secondi. Yeah, the question was, are you going to be live Fat Tuesday too? I'm really worried that the signal is going to be not that good actually. Already today we had a bunch of problems at the beginning and Fat Tuesday I believe that is going to be kind of a nightmare. But Jen, a pigeon that is going to poo on you actually is only good luck and you're going to get millions actually. You're going to be super billionaire after the poo. That's what we normally say here actually. So let me see. Let's have a look. Oh, here we go. That we got the Doctor of the Black Death, of course. That is always a classical mask. Scusa. And here we go. Oh, I got some other lovely white. But let me give you a 360 degrees view of the square, that so you can get the idea of the atmosphere that we are having exactly right now actually. It's still really sunny, that we should be around 5:30, 5:35 actually. And it's not dusk, it's not sunset yet actually. And so we need to wait more around 6:15. Now, Jem, there's literally no space for the pigeons actually. Pigeons, they're going to have a few problems, but at least they can eat all the confettis. I don't know if they're going to be happy about that, but let me see. Let me see, slowly. Let me see how I can go through. Hop, hop, hop. Let me slowly try to get into the shade that at least we can get a better idea. Ciao Jen, we're definitely extremely lucky with the weather, as you can see. Yeah, today is just gorgeous and unreal. They're not edible confetti, unfortunately, but they are made out of paper, and as long as you get the first water, I mean the first rain, everything is going to be totally gone. Here we go, that we're almost 800 viewers at the moment. Here we go, the view. Here we go, I told you that Harlequin is back. He used to be really popular when I was a little child, something like 40 years ago. It's interesting that Harlequin, one of the most classical masks that we got in Italy together with Pulcinella. And that is really cute. Oh look, that this dress and the fabric it's unreal actually. The entire fabrics is all coming up and the details you cannot believe. So let me see if I can zoom. Look, yeah, amazing. The details from top to toe are incredible. And so folks, it's about time to leave you, and so I would like to say thank you to all of you for watching us. Thank you for joining us today. I hope that you had a little idea of how Carnival look like in this area. Grazie mille. Stay tuned that we're going to have new ideas actually coming up. Cristian, il turismo è solo sto settimana, dopodiché torniamo pari a zero, quindi è ancora tranquilla la situazione. Yeah, I hope to see you here soon actually, so you will be able to enjoy the entire Venice atmosphere. Grazie mille, and stay tuned for new videos, new live shows. Grazie, ciao da Venezia e dal suo carnevale, grazie mille, ciao a tutti.